How to create a echo voice effect in Capcut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, open up the Capcut application and then select any of the projects that you want to add an echo voice effect on. So here I'm selecting this project. After selecting the project here, as you can see, I've already added a sound as well. Now to create or to add an echo voice effect in the CapCut for the video, tap on the audio. So after tapping on the audio, you'll be able to see the option of audio effects at the bottom of the screen on the menu bar. So just tap on audio effects. After tapping on the audio effects, you can just scroll and you can see different voice filters over here. Now just scroll down and here you can see the option of echo. So just tap on echo. Hello. And you'll be able to create a echo voice effect in CapCut. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.